Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Leo Learn English Online. Have you watched my videos? If not, then you can watch them on my channel. You can also type my name Chandralekha Sawant in YouTube search box and watch my videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Let's start. In this video, you can learn the poem Basket Full of Moonlight written by Sunil Sharma. We all wish to have some or the other things in our life. Wish is a strong desire or hope for something. We like to make a wish as it keeps us motivated. It drives us to do something better. It also helps us in finding solutions to our problems. If I give you one basket and ask a question, what would you like to have in this basket? The answer will be different. Some would like to have a basket full of mangoes. Some would want a basket full of chocolates or cakes or ice creams. Some people would like to wish for a basket full of toys or flowers, etc. Here in this poem, the speaker is a small child. He is also wishing something. Let's see what does he wish and to whom is he requesting. O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or two baskets full with seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back, as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep, and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. O moon, give me moonlight. In this line, the child is requesting the moon. He is asking the moon to give him moonlight. Every child has a special relation with the moon. The moon is quite close to him. That's why the speaker is requesting the moon to give him moonlight. Basketful or two baskets full with seeds of moonlight. The speaker wants a basket or two baskets full of with the seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small moons of light. There is no electricity in the village, so the path that leads to village gets covered with darkness after sunset. So the child wants to sow the seeds of moonlight on the sides of the path that leads to his village from the city, so that the whole path will light up and not be dark anymore. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. The child tells the moon that the whole village, that is all the villagers from the village, goes to the city for work, as there are no other means of earning other than agriculture in the village. It becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. When the villagers return to the village from the city, it becomes quite dark because his village is far off from the city and there is no electricity in his village. So there is darkness on their way to the village. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. The child is telling the moon that the route, the path to his village, is not good. It is tough. The condition of the road is bad. This path is also dangerous as it is full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. As there are no facilities of transportation, no cart or bus services in the village. The village people have to walk on that path. That's why they reach home late at night. When my father returns home, I am asleep. The child is sharing his problem with the moon, saying that he is always asleep by the time his father returns home from the work. As the village is far from the city, and because of the dark, tough, and dangerous route, his father always returns late at night. And he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. Then again, the father has to leave the house early in the morning for his work while the child is still asleep. So the child is unable to meet, see, and talk with his father. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. So here the child is requesting the moon to give him a basket full of moonlight on loan. You all know that people get money as loan from banks for their well-beings and works. The child wants the moonlight on loan because he has no capacity to buy it. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. The child wants to light the dark route of the village with the help of the moonlight so that his father would be able to return home early in the evening. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. If the child's father returns home early, then he would have time to tell him fairy tales and stories before he goes to bed. Thus, he wants to spend time with his father. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. In the end, the child again earnestly requests the moon to give him a basket full of moonlight so that he can sow the seeds of the moon along the sides of the village path. Dear students, I hope you would have understood this poem very well. You would have come to know about the wish of the child. The child thinks that by his wish, he can help his father and other villagers to return home early by lighting their path with the moonlight. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Leo Learn English Online. If you want to suggest anything, please write in the comment box. Thank you.